अब आजै भोलि कहिले हिँड्ने उ त्यहाँ भित्र भन्छ अहिले कहिले अपरेसन गर्ने भनेर
Once we reach the lodge, we're gonna have black tea prepared out by our friend Lihi. In the back is our singer Pema.
I think we would rather spend extra 40 minutes and be climbing more stairs.
What about you, Tsewang?
I think I would take this one.
You would too?
The most sketchy part?
Yeah.
Why?
Why? Because it's shorter.
What about your safety? What about your safety?
For me, it's okay. It's safe enough.
Safe enough.
What about Dr. Ari?
I prefer it this way. It's too
Sketchy.
yeah. It's
Oh, we did it. So tomorrow when you go to the old age home, I think you will take.
follow this.
Okay.
All right.
It's small and it's the edge of a mountain. But I think because it's sloping and it's gravelly, it's very slippery. Yeah. But we did it. Thank you, Nyima.
How do you like the milk tea up in Nubri Valley?
Wow, it's very different. It tastes almost like coffee.
Organic potato, and it's also considered as one of the best potato in the Nubri Valley. As you can see, it's big in size, and yeah, pretty much it looks delicious. We are now at the Tal, which is in Samagaun. We are approximately at the height of 3,600 meters, just about 30 minutes walk from Samagaun. And behind me is the Birendra Lake. So name Birendra Lake was given by our late King Birendra, who once visited this place. Right up there we have the glacier, and the glacier is stripped from the Manaslu, which is in the height of 8,163 meters.
Namaste.
कस्तो भयो रहेछ तपाईहरुलाई?
राम्रो लागिरहेको छ
तपाई हल्का फोटोमै बिजी हुनुहुन्छ फोटो खिच्नमा अनि यो हाम्रो तालको नाम चाहिँ
वीरेन्द्र तालमा छौं हामी
किन यो नाम चाहिँ वीरेन्द्र ताल राखेको हो
राजा वीरेन्द्र आउनु भएको त्यही कारणले
यो हो र And this is what it looks around the lake. In the back we have the Mount Manaslu, but covered by the cloud. Go nene minen tanda.
Tama diri minen.
Minen eh.
Lang kam zone. खोलो आ खोलो
नि कापे नि कापे
देखियो
कतिवटा अनलाइन यो अहिले देखियो
फोटो खिचेको छ ल ल
म्याक दाम त अन्द कमा त हा छम त अन्द कुनो गङ छम जेबसिको हा छम मक्दुङ गो द्रो मक्दुङ गो जिरे गएको हा अब अर्को पनि बनाउने आज
खाजा त दा
Yeah, you did it! Hooray, 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 yep, yep.
Hooray, hooray, hooray.
Hey, hey, la!